Hi everyone, how are you? Me and Eeyore here with you today. We are unboxing my newest crafting, I want to say machine, my newest crafting machine. I have went and bought a Cricut. Yay! For die cutting. My plan with this is to start creating tumblers to sell on the store, and also plaques, and using it in sewing and that stuff, because the Cricut, I got the Cricut Maker. Now, I ordered this off of Facebook, and it wasn't bad. I got it within a week, so that was good. However, I ordered the lilac, and of course, I get a message from the seller, we're out of lilac. And when I chose rose, she's like, well, we just shipped you whatever we had. So, but here it is. This is our Let's Get Started box. Let's see what's in here. I've already opened some of it just to make sure it all came with everything. In here is a little card and a sample. I don't know what this is. It's a little cardstock, I think, is what it is, in a white cardstock. I guess if you want to make cards. She said she was going to throw in a couple of goodies since they were out of the lilac. What I got in the box was a blue mat, which is for light grip, and 3 pieces of vinyl, blue, red, and green. Merry Christmas, right? So, we have our welcome card. You've got this, and you've got us, tutorials, instruction booklets, and all of that fun stuff. It says, open me first. So let's open this first. Ooh, that's nice. Unleash this beauty. Let's see, is it just a card? There's plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Get connected. Just go to cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. Yay. Make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun. Bookmark this page. That's cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy. Okay. So there's that. Okay, and then we have our welcome book. It's all black. Ooh, yay. Images, library, design space, and I even have, there was on Kindle Unlimited, there's a series of Cricut books that's like a bundle that I've started reading through, and I'm going to read through it more once I get... so the pink is the fabric grip mat. So I was told it was purple. Oh well. We will figure it out. Okay, so now let's see what color I actually got. What color did she give me? I hope I got the rose, because that was the one I wanted other than lilac. So now, This is going to be set up in my craft room, which you guys might be getting a tour of here when I set it up. Looks like she gave me the champagne. She probably wanted to just get rid of the champagne. But it's only somewhat heavy. It's not that bad. Okie dokie. One of the other things that I bought when I got this was a Epson printer for sublimation. So we will be making some sublimation tumblers too. So we'll be doing a lot of stuff. Hopefully starting this week. Guys, last week was bad. I spent all last week in bed. Let's just say life kicked me in the butt. I was so exhausted, and I'm not gonna lie guys, it's from hormones. It happens every month with me. I get to deal with it every month like clockwork. Yes, it goes with that time of the month with Mother Nature. But it is what it is. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so it looks like there's a blade. Is there a blade? No. There's not a blade in there. Well, yes, there is a blade in there already. Okay. I'm not going to take it out too much other than just to look at it like this until I get it set up in my room, in the craft room. Right now it's going to go on a shelving unit in there until I can get the table. I'm getting, because I was going to be putting in my mom's old dining room table in the craft room, but I've been looking at it and it is wider than this table here, and I need something that's kind of skinny that I can sew on, that I can set up my different sewing machines and that stuff. So I'm thinking I'm just going to get an 8-foot long. Either that or I may even take this walnut table in there, although I don't think so. I don't think I'm going to take the walnut table in there. But anyways, I will show you pictures at the end of this video of where it's placed and where it is set up once I get it set up. This is just going to be a quick video just showing you the new Cricut maker that I got. So that's about it for today. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.